After doing keyword research very well, now it's time for SEO, and we will start with on page SEO. What factors do you have to consider at that time? Before this, I shared a checklist of on page SEO, but today we will discuss that sheet in detail and we will see them practically in our upcoming videos. Assalamu alaikum, hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In today's video, we are going to see the checklist of on-page SEO in detail. So let's start our journey. Number one is tags optimization. Whenever we do SEO on any website, the first thing we do is to optimize our tags. What are tags or what is tag optimization? Whatever content is on any website or whatever things you see on a page, we have divided it into different tags like title tag, meta description, and meta keywords. The title tag is a tag of a website or a web page. Then, when you type anything on Google or SERP, you get a lot of results. The description of the web pages is also written below. We call it meta description. That is also a kind of tag. Similarly, there are some tags that we put on the website, but our audience doesn't see them, like meta keywords. So, these are some tags. Next one is URL optimization. Along with tags, you see that all the pages on a website, each page has a separate URL. The URL is our domain name first, and then you see our next URL is also called slug. So it is very important to optimize it. Whatever structure of our web page, there are two parts. One is the head section and other is the body section. So some are the body head section tags like meta tags, meta description, and title, which we have to do right, or we have to optimize them properly and accordingly to the Google algorithm. Next one is heading tags. Heading tag is very important when you read some content on any website, especially on blogging website where some textual content is written. There are some headings also which we have to optimize. Internal and external linking. Now we will go to our content. On one website, many links are attached. Maybe those links are of different web pages or the of the same website, or maybe it is of some other website. So if there is a link that is of any web page of our own website, then we will call it internal linking. And if there is any link attached on your web page which is of any other web page or outside of your website, we will call it external linking. Anchor text optimization. The biggest thing is that you shouldn't have any broken links, and along with that, whatever links are attached, they should be properly organized with keywords. Proper anchor text should be attached with your links. Whenever we talk about internal linking and external linking, then we will optimize the anchor text. It is very important for you to add anchor text in the checklist. These are some things that not many people talk about, but these small things together take us forward. Search engine considers more than 200 factors whenever it gives ranking to your website. We will discuss as much as we can out of 200 factors. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Content optimization. Now after anchor text optimization, it is time for content optimization. Your content should be creative, it should be written properly, and the most important thing that you have to focus on keyword density. It is not like you have written a content of 1000 words and in that your keyword is coming 500 times. It is repeating again and again. No, this is a spam technique and you don't want to use it. Along with that, we have to take care of plagiarism in content optimization. Plagiarism means whenever you copy someone else's content or you copy someone's duplicate content and put it on your website, we call it plagiarism. It is very important to avoid plagiarism. Next one is grammar. Next important perspective is grammar. Grammar content must be good, because as we are talking about Google, and Google is considering so many factors. So if there are two websites, for example, or two web pages where almost same type of content is there, their content is good, images are good, user interface is good, but if someone's grammar is better and if someone is not, because you know that Google can trace grammar. Google also tells us that grammar is wrong or spelling is wrong or right. So if once grammar is right and once grammar is wrong, then you think according to logic who will be given priority. So we don't want to leave any point so that Google gets the reason that this website should be down ranked. Next one is image optimization. There is a section of content optimization, that is image optimization. Although image is a part of content, but we consider it separately. So in image optimization, image should not be of very large size. We will compress images. We will take care of quality and size. If the images are big, then our page load time will be more. So to reduce that, we will take care of images. Alt text or alt attributes, a very important concept that is on image. We can say it alt text or alt attributes. We add them whose full form is alternate name. Now what it is, how to apply it, we will understand all the details in our upcoming videos. Next one is image title. Along with alt name, every image should have proper title, because if you go to any website or any web page and there is an image, take your cursor on it. Whenever you take the cursor, there will be a window pop up on which what is that image will be written. We call it title. So that title should be properly according to your website. Along with that, if you have copied an image from anywhere, so make sure that it is copyright free, and if it is not free, then it is better to give credit. So again, we will attach some links. Keyword cannibalism. Next thing is, if I talk about content optimization, there is an important factor which we call keyword cannibalism. Keyword cannibalization mean, suppose your website has 100 pages and in 100 pages 2 or 3 pages are ranking on one particular or same keyword. In such a situation, what will happen? That those 3 pages are competing with each other to rank on top on the same keyword. So we have to avoid this. This is not good for our website's ranking. Now all these things which I have discussed, this is basically non-technical SEO's part. So you have to keep this checklist in mind. Do not miss any video, viewers, because we are going to discuss all these things practically. Thanks for watching, viewers. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.